I'm Dr. Don Livermore, Master Blender for the Hiram Walker Distillery, located in Windsor, Ontario. I got exciting news. We are introducing a program through the Drop Collective, which is releasing rare whiskeys that are very hard to find. And we've been getting asked, can you do a single cask release of Lot 40? We are going to be releasing Lot 40, 18 years old. Incredible. It's a whiskey, one of its a kind, and we are going to be releasing it in the fall through the Drop Collective program. Now, Lot 40 is, at its core, is 100% rye whiskey. It's fermented, and then it's distilled through column stills, which then is further distilled through a pot distillation process, which concentrates up that rye whiskey, a lot of those floral notes that is typical to the mother brand Lot 40. Now, what we've done with the Lot 40 18 year is we've aged it in seasoned oak casks. What that means is the casks have been seasoned under the sun for a length of time, which breaks down those vanilla, caramel, toffee notes that are found in whiskey. And as the rain weathers those casks, it leaches through some of those tannic notes to smooth out the casks. So when we're aging 18 years, we want those nicely balanced notes looking for a very specific flavor profile. Now, with the Lot 40 18 year, we're going to certainly see a distinctive green apple character, which indicates the aging process at our Pike Creek facility. After 18 years of aging, we will drain the cask, and then what we are left with is about 120, 130 bottles of cask strength whiskey. This lot in particular came out at 56.1% ABV. And at that strength, you're going to get those zesty notes because it's cask strength, rye spicy notes, warm honey, just a beautiful, complex whiskey. Let's give it a taste. Right away, the green apple characteristic. Vanilla, caramel, toffee, almost a cola-like flavor. Deep, rich chocolate. That white pepper, and certainly finishing with the sourdough rye spice that you would instinctively know as Lot 40. This is rare, this is one of a kind, this is our first single cask release of Lot 40. Cheers, eh?